Alright, it's about 5 something in the morning, and my Turken has just started to learn how to crow, and I'm trying to catch him doing it. He sounds like a stuffed toy chicken with its batteries running low. So let's see if we can catch him doing it. Oh my god, that is so fucking cute. Pardon my French. Oh, I love it. Hello. Whoa, what you doing, kitty boo? What you doing, kitty boo? Oh. You make it harder video. Oh, thank God it's you and not you. You are not allowed to crow. You are going to be a buff splash hen. Hello. Here, kitty kitty. Hi, Midnight. Oh, that's such a big crow, Midnight. And this menace is Lulu. I bruised the crap out of my hand trying to break up a dog fight last night. And that was fun. Yeah, you can get to see that. You polydactyl-toed cat, I think you are. Yeah, I think she's polydactyl. She's very sweet, very loving. Maybe not polydactyl. I could swear I saw 5 toes. I did. No, that's just 2 claws coming out of 2 paws. That's weird. Okay, back to the birds. Now let's go see what the birds have to say. It is freaking cold out here. Come on, Fuzzy, let's hear it. What in there? What, baby? You're getting fed. I know you're getting fed. You're Brenda's cat. Yeah. Oh. See, when the cold starts getting me, I can't control my shaking. So I'm going to go ahead and stop this and try to get it out to y'all.